Hi friends, good morning. This is Shrikant. Today I will explain about Power BI new feature filters. Okay. First, you need to apply this. You need to select these filters. First, you go to options. Okay, click these options, and next here preview feature. You need to select this option. When you select this option and press click OK, then automatically is showing your Power BI desktop filter option. Okay, let's check this Power BI filter options. Okay, now I am already created one chart. Okay, and now I am applying my chart visual level filters. Okay, let's check these filters. Okay, see this now here showing two icons. One is log filter and second one is show filters. Okay, when you click this show filters, it's automatically showing here your filter options. Okay, now I am applying my visual level filters Canada and Mexico and France. Okay, then when you click this show icon, see this now showing your filter options. Okay, if you want to erase all options, click this erase button. It's automatically erased your filters. Okay, if you want to lock your filters, see this here in this place here, lock. When you click this lock, it's automatically locked your visuals. Okay, this is new feature in Power BI desktop.